Hey guys, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well. And in today's online mattress review, we're going to be discussing everything that you should know about the Novosbed. So over the course of 6 years, I've tried out hundreds of mattresses. And one of the first ones I ever laid down on was this exact bed. I thought it was a really quality memory foam option with a lot to offer. And to this day, I feel the exact same way. So if you're interested in what I think about this mattress and what I have thought about it over the years, stick around because we're going to be discussing the policies this thing is backed by. Then we'll talk about its overall design and construction elements. We'll talk about what it's going to feel like to sleep on, how firm it's going to be to the average Joe, its overall pricing, and at the very end, I'll even try to sum things up with a nice final verdict on who I see this option being best for. I think if you're open-minded, this review should pretty much contain all you need to know about this bed, but just in case it doesn't, hit the description box for a lot more. Like this video and subscribe to our channel if you get something out of today's review, but now let's get right into this one. Alrighty, Novosbed. What do you got to know in terms of the policies this mattress is going to be backed by? Well, just so you guys know, we did receive it for completely free from the brand to review, but for starters, it should ship to you completely free once you order it online. It'll eventually arrive at your door inside of a big box that you basically drag into your home. The unboxing process is a really quick and easy thing to do by yourself, but it may go even quicker and maybe be a little bit more fun if you have a friend there to help you out. Once the bed's in your possession, you get 120 nights to test it out and see if it's going to be right for you. So that's right around 4 full months, and that's plenty of time to see if the bed is suitable. If it's not, for whatever reason, you should get completely free returns with this mattress. There may be a return fee in certain states, but we'll try to link their return policy down below in the description box so you can check out the liner notes on all that stuff. If you want to keep this bed, you end up loving it at first sleep. It is backed by a 15-year warranty, which is a great mattress warranty to have these days. Again, there should be a lot more information regarding this policy stuff in the description box, but in terms of a policy set, pretty nice stuff here for Novosbed. Now let's talk about its overall design. This is a very simple 3-layer all-foam mattress. On the bottom, it starts off with a dense support foam. Then you have a transitional layer of a memory foam, and on top is another layer of memory foam that's more open cell and breathable. Rounding the mattress out is a really soft tensile cover with this nice pattern, and that cover is actually machine washable, which is one of the main features to note on the Novosbed. If the mattress cover happens to get dirty, it's really easy to clean. All you do is just unzip the entire top cover and throw it in your washing machine. Lots of other beds online used to have mattresses that came with machine washable covers. These days, it's really rare to find one that's completely machine washable. So I think it's awesome that Novosbed still has one, and it makes it a really easy option to deep clean. Once it's out of the washer, I highly recommend hang drying that mattress cover as opposed to tossing it in your dryer. It could maybe shrink on you a little bit in that case. Definitely hang dry this mattress cover. That's a pro tip for you. In terms of how this mattress is going to feel to the average Joe, I would say those 2 layers of memory foam sitting right on top of that support foam add up to give it a very straightforward memory foam feel. When you hop on the bed, it might feel a little bit firm at first, but then it'll slowly soften up as you sink into the bed, and those layers of memory foam will kind of provide a nice body conforming sink-in quality. That open cell memory foam on top is slightly more responsive than a more traditional dense memory foam found on a Tempur-Pedic style of bed, but to me, the Novosbed just feels like a very straightforward memory foam mattress. You know, it doesn't have an overwhelmingly dense or responsive style of memory foam, just something right in the middle, something that a lot of memory foam lovers should really enjoy. Now, I say memory foam lovers because memory foam is one of those types of materials used within beds that's kind of divisive. You either tend to love it or hate it, but from what we found over here at the Slumber Yard, a lot of people tend to gravitate towards memory foam beds once they try them. Owen on our team used to sleep on pillow top mattresses and other, more responsive style of beds. Nowadays, he sleeps exclusively on Tempur-Pedic and absolutely loves it. Now it's time to talk about Firmness for the Novosbed, which is actually one of the most versatile things about it, as it's available in 3 different Firmness versions. It's available in a soft, medium, and a firm model. We personally have tested their medium model, and we found it to be right around a proper medium, give or take. It definitely presents equal parts support and pressure relief, making it a great choice for all sleep styles, back, side, stomach, and combination sleepers. This is kind of nice because most memory foam beds by default range right around a proper medium firm, so a little on the firmer side. Here, it's nice to have something that is a little softer and pressure relieving, more appropriate for all sleeping positions, including side and combo. And again, you do have those other 2 Firmness choices if you maybe want an even softer version of the Novosbed or something that's even firmer. But now let's talk about what couples should know about this bed, mainly how it performs in terms of edge support, motion isolation, and temperature regulation. So in terms of edge support, we would say that the Novosbed is pretty much average. It's on par with other all foam beds with a memory foam feel on top. It's not gonna, provide the sturdiest perimeter compared to something like a hybrid mattress that has reinforced coils, but I didn't really experience any sort of roll-off sensation when testing the Novosbed. In terms of motion isolation, however, it performs great. Memory foam is one of the best materials for absorbing and deadening a lot of cross mattress movement. So I think if you sleep with a partner who is an especially light sleeper, you shouldn't really be jostling them awake anytime soon. In terms of how hot or cold the Novosbed sleeps, it is advertised to have a tensile cover that's cool to the touch, but we would say it's pretty much a temperature neutral sleeping bed. I don't think it's gonna move the needle enough to make it an active cooling option, but I don't think you're gonna excessively warm up on it either. Keep in mind that temperature regulation often comes down to other factors like your overall room's temperature. It even could be associated with the types of pajamas you're wearing or even the sheets or comforters you're using. A lot of other things apply to temperature regulation other than the bed. These days, Novosbed even offers a more affordable mattress offering called the Full Moon. We haven't tried that specific mattress model yet, but we hope to soon. But speaking of affordability, let's talk about the pricing for the Novosbed. Keep in mind, I'm filming this right around a major holiday, so this pricing could be a little bit different as of when you're watching this video. But currently a queen size retails for right around the $1,000 mark. Check in the description box for any discounts we might happen to find to help save you some money on this mattress, but I would say that is a great value for a quality memory foam mattress these days. The brand even likes to throw in a sleep bundle from time to time with every single mattress purchase, so that's great if you're in the market for more of a sleep setup rather than just a bed. You get a little bit more of a bang for your buck with Novosbed. Now that is a little bit pricier than the flagship Nectar mattress, which is a little bit more affordable at around $650 for a queen size, but it's a little bit more of a premium bed that has a washable cover, and it's a lot more affordable than a dense memory foam offering from Tempur-Pedic. So I personally think you're getting a great value by going the route of Novosbed, and hey, a machine washable cover these days is hard to beat. But now let's give you a short and sweet final verdict about what our entire team thinks about the Novosbed. We would say check it out if you're in the market for a simple memory foam mattress. You want a bed that you can kind of pick and choose the firmness of a little bit, and you, again, like the sound of that machine washable cover. Personally, I think that the Novosbed is one of those underdogs within the online mattress space. It's really talked about on our channel, but I think it's really nice. But let us know what you guys think. What is your overall impression of the Novosbed? Write us down below in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, you maybe got something out of this online mattress review, click the like button and subscribe to the Slumber Yard for so much more. Hit the description box if you want to see some more related details to help you out with your online mattress search. But that's going to do it with this one. Again, I'm JD. Sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.